I'm Susie Lee from Compass. Come and join me for this fun, exciting, and rare opportunity to see my new listing located in the marvelous neighborhood of Nob Hill. Located on the desirable Taylor and Pacific Street, the exterior facade was completely repainted this past month. Beginning from the signature granite entry door, you are immediately greeted by an elegant marble staircase, artfully combined with granite handrails and monumental granite pieces facing the opposite walls. Built in 2002, the property is in excellent condition, exposing the open floor plan that include the rich architectural details seen in the crown molding, customized mahogany hardwood floors, and classic marble fireplace. Not only is this one of the very few rare condos in Nob Hill that's a full 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but this master suite even has a private steam sauna, making it the perfect safe haven for ultimate relaxation and comfort. Boasting a healthy walk score of 99, this fabulous location is close to popular dining, shopping, and entertainment attractions, close to the Embarcadero, Pier, Union Square, and Jackson Square. Do you ever imagine yourself enjoying the spectacular view of the Coit Tower and Bay Bridge every day? Come and invite your friends and family members over for a showing.